So here's the important part about starting a project in 2025. If you were to pick the best module with the highest wattage and the best price for your commercial solar installation in 2026, you may not be eligible for the 30% tax credit that makes that project much more attractive. So foreign entities of concern means those modules that are coming out of China, highest wattage, best price, best warranty as well, are not eligible for the 30%. So if you start a project in 2025 with an agreement and a deposit and procure some equipment for that project, you can choose the best module at the best price and qualify for the 30% tax credit. So the downside to starting a commercial project in 2026 is that what's most likely to happen, and we're still waiting on some guidance on this, but what's most likely to happen is that the modules will go up in price. So knowing that if you want the 30% tax credit and you have to choose a module that's eligible, which means it cannot come from China effectively, they're going to raise the price on those modules. And we've already seen that happening this year in 2025, where certain products are increasing their price because they know there's another incentive available. So your project starting in 2026 is going to be more expensive with less incentives, no tax credit and no adders associated there, so that it really is the best time to start a project in 2025. The best way to find out if going solar as a commercial project is right for you is just to reach out to us. Getting a bid and putting together some numbers to take a look at it doesn't take very much time. You need a copy of your utility bill, and then just give us a call or go to our website. From there, we'll put together a proposal. We'll have some Q&A to discuss what the details are, see what incentives you're eligible for, and then you can make a decision.